Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a video here and for today's video. We're back with a stock talk video. For today's stock talk, we are going to be talking about ERI/CZR, two stocks that merged together that are casino stocks. You've probably heard of this merger. If you haven't, I'm going to explain what the merger was about and where this stock is heading now. Okay, so what are we looking at right here? We are looking at El Dorado Resort and Casinos, my baby and my lover of ticker symbol stocks. Okay, ERI was his ticker symbol. Now, as you look at this stock, we were running up. Okay. And even if we go to the 3-year chart, we have made a lot of progressive movement upward, and this has been more of an up-and-coming casino, okay? So ERI has definitely been making some big moves. But if we go back to the 180 days, you'll see, obviously, the beer bug dropped this thing like a tank, okay? This is a beautiful play that I caught. I caught it around $14, so it was somewhere around here. I don't remember exactly what it was, and I wish I bought more shares. But anyway, so obviously the beer bug hit. It hit highs of $70, okay, and then dropped right after, literally just straight down dropped. Down to $6, okay? We've been making some slow improvements for a while. I got in at $14, and I held all the way through, and I'm still holding to this day. Now, as you look at this stock, okay, we obviously been getting a lot of news, and there was rumors going around of a merger. That ended up being confirmed, and ERI, meaning they, were going to merge with CZR, okay? And those two casinos, rather, were going to merge together, and it was just going to be Caesars. There's going to be no more El Dorado. It was a very cash money deal, and it went through, okay? And that is why this stock kind of just stopped right here. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it was around the 17th, okay? 17th of July, it converted over, and this stock went from ERI to Caesars. Now let's go over to Caesars and see what we're working with. Obviously, it doesn't have much to look at here because it started on the 17th of July, and here we are on the 14th of August, okay? But we have gotten some big news more recently from Caesars. If we look at this chart right here, we can see some information from JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley that are saying its price targets are being cut from its lows of $47 and being raised to $52, okay? And even up here, you can see an overweight price target of $50. So we have been definitely seeing a price target increase for this stock, and this is definitely a good thing for its long term, okay? I would like to see it get above that $70 that ERI was previously at before COVID-19 happened, okay? And it definitely has the potential, okay? It already has its, new stock sort of dip. Every time, like, a new stock either merges or something with the stock, there's a new stock that is created into the market list, it has this weird, kind of dip and then pulls off of that dip after the first couple weeks. And I was kind of glad that it cleanly did this run, and now we are in the open. But this is still a casino stock. We have to be careful of this because casinos aren't fully open. Yes, in some areas they may be, but there's still mandates. There's still rules and laws that people have to follow within the casino, okay? So definitely keep casinos on your watch list, especially CZR, okay? Obviously, as the price target is getting increased, yeah, we're still kind of in this pandemic. Yes, it's not as bad as it was in March, but we're still in this sort of stage of a pandemic. You have to keep it on your watch list and be careful the moves you're making. But this is good news for a Caesars, okay? This is good news for a casino that is still in this type of environment as we are in today, okay? So, what is my information to you for this video? Caesars is definitely a casino that I want you guys to keep on your watch list. I'm definitely giving you guys the information that you need to know. Caesars has been having a price target raise. Caesars just recently merged with ERI, so now it is all one, okay? And ERI was a very good company before, and now Caesars is starting to go into that certain pattern. Still at a pretty low price right now of only $41, and I would love to see it hit above $70 and move onward from where ERI previously was, okay? It's got a lot of work to do, and we're still in a pandemic, but I think that CZR is definitely a stock you should be watching because of the fact that we are slowly moving out of this pandemic, okay? And once we get a vaccine and once we start moving forward, casinos are going to start reopening, I think by 2021, even 2022. So this is definitely going to be a long-term stock to look forward to, okay? You obviously can play its quick plays, you could play its jumps and whatever you want to do, but for you long holders out there, definitely look at this stock as a long-term investment. It is a great purchase right now at a great price. I definitely see a long-term position in myself that I'm going to be holding into the future with this stock. So if you guys enjoyed this video and learned something about this stock or myself, leave a like in the video, subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.